Welcome back to the channel, and prepare to witness the arrival of something truly captivating. Forget everything you thought you knew about the midsize sedan, because the 2026 Hyundai Sonata has been completely redefined. Our journey begins with this exterior. A masterclass in sensuous sportiness, where the design is less about simple body panels and more about light and shadow. The iconic full-width light bar known as the seamless horizon lamp gives it an unmistakable nocturnal signature, while the fastback roofline flows seamlessly into a sharply defined rear. Every sculpted crease and flared wheel arch screams sophisticated aggression, proving that a sedan can still be a head-turner. Now, step inside. The cabin is your personal command center, wrapped in premium soft-touch materials that feel far beyond its class. The centerpiece is the panoramic curved display, a monumental sweep of digital information connecting two massive 12.3-inch screens into one elegant, driver-focused unit. It's an interior that prioritizes clean lines and intuitive technology, from the wireless phone charging to the ergonomic steering wheel controls. The space here doesn't just accommodate you, it elevates the entire experience, making every commute feel like a VIP journey. But beauty must be matched with brawn. The Sonata delivers exhilarating performance with its available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, pushing out a robust 290 horsepower in the inline trim. This power is expertly managed by an 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission, offering lightning-fast shifts and a driving dynamic that is genuinely engaging. Whether you're opting for the efficiency of the hybrid or the grip of the optional H-Track all-wheel drive, the ride is refined, confident, and unexpectedly thrilling. It carves corners with precision, yet glides effortlessly over rough city streets. So, what is the ticket to this experience? The 2026 Hyundai Sonata maintains its legendary value, with the starting price expected to be around the $27,300 mark for the well-equipped base model, climbing towards $38,100 for the top-tier trims, like the limited hybrid or the performance-focused N-Line. For a vehicle that offers this level of design, technology, and sheer driving pleasure, the value proposition is truly unmatched. This isn't just a car you buy, it's a statement you make. Tell us in the comments, which color would you choose for this stunning machine?